Hello, welcome. Today let us have a problem based on the equation of a straight line. And today's problem is point A 3 minus 2 on reflection in the x-axis mapped as A dash, and point B on reflection in the y-axis is mapped onto B dash minus 4 3. Write down the coordinates of A dash and B. Second bit, find the slope of the line A dash B, hence find its inclination. Okay, so let us start step by step. Let us do. What is given is A 3 minus 2 on reflection in the x-axis mapped as A dash. You know that when a point reflects through x-axis, its y coordinate changes its sign. So you will get 3. Y coordinate minus 2 is there, you will get plus 2. So the coordinates of A dash we got. Now point B on reflection in the y-axis is mapped onto B dash minus 4 3. We don't know what are the coordinates of B, we have to find out. Let me take it as xy. When let me take it as AB, okay, small a small b. When it reflects through y-axis, we get B dash minus 4 3. Minus 4 3. Actually, when a point reflects through y-axis, its x coordinate changes its sign. Minus a, then b. Yes or no? Already we know the coordinates of its image we know. We have to find the coordinates of the point. So minus this implies minus a is equal to minus 4. That implies a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. Therefore, point B we have taken as AB, that gives you 4 3. So we got the coordinates of A dash 3 2, coordinates of B 4 3, and always the coordinates of a point are to be enclosed within brackets. So with this we are able to complete, right, the coordinates of A dash and B, A dash and B. First bit is done. Now let us work out for the second bit, that is find the slope of the line A dash B. Okay, A dash B. Let me write again for the second bit. A dash is 3 2. Let us take as x1 y1. Okay, then B is 4 3. Let us take as x2 y2. x2 y2 for better understanding. And we have to find the slope of a line. You know that slope of a line is difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is 3 minus y1 is 2. x2 is 4 minus x1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 1, that equals to 1. So the slope of line, therefore slope of A dash B is equal to 1. So find the slope of line A dash B, that too we have got. So whatever is the question asked, always underline and show. And hence find its inclination, that is after finding the slope of the line, find the inclination of the line. You know that slope of a line M is equal to tan theta, that is tan of angle of inclination. So a slope of a line M is equal to 1, that implies tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. You know that 1 is the value of tan 45 degree. So slope of the line I took as M, 1 I have written. M means tan theta, 1 is the value of tan 45 degree. That means theta is equal to 45 degree. What is theta? That is inclination. That is, and for angle of inclination, short we can say inclination also. Therefore, inclination of the line or angle of inclination of the line we can write. Inclination of the line is 45 degree. So this particular question two bits are there, but first bit find the coordinates of A dash and B, and second bit also again two subparts are there, slope of the line A dash B and also its inclination. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.